Welcome to our lesson on relaxer services. Today we'll explore the essential preliminary tests used to analyze hair condition before performing a relaxer, and dive into the 5 key procedures that ensure predictable results. Whether you're new to relaxer services or looking to refine your skills, understanding these foundational steps is crucial. We'll start by discussing why pre-relaxer analysis matters, then move through each procedure step by step. By the end, you'll be equipped to deliver consistent, beautiful results for your clients. Let's get started by understanding the importance of practice and following procedures. Being proficient in relaxer service skills requires ongoing practice. If you're out of practice, results can be inconsistent and unpredictable. Following established procedures is the key to achieving reliable outcomes. By mastering these steps, you'll gain confidence and ensure your clients leave with hair that's healthy and beautifully relaxed. Let's inspire you to commit to these procedures, knowing that consistency leads to excellence in every service you provide. After this lesson, you'll be able to explain how to analyze hair before a relaxer service and describe the 5 procedures used to perform a relaxer. These skills are fundamental for anyone aiming to deliver high-quality relaxer services. We'll break down each step so you can confidently assess hair and apply the relaxer with precision. Let's move forward and see how to maintain hair integrity throughout the process. To successfully relax a client's hair and maintain its integrity, it's vital to conduct several preliminary tests before any chemical service. These tests provide an accurate assessment of the client's hair condition, ensuring you choose the right products and techniques. Performing relaxer skills at the required speed also helps protect the hair's health. Let's look at the specific tests that guide your decisions and set the stage for a safe, effective relaxer service. Analyzing the porosity, elasticity, texture, and density of the client's hair is essential. These properties help you determine the appropriate type of relaxer service, the product type and strength, and the required amount of combing or smoothing. By understanding each aspect, you can tailor your approach to the client's unique hair needs, ensuring optimal results and minimizing risk of damage. Porosity refers to hair's ability to absorb moisture, liquids, and chemicals. Hair that is more porous absorbs products quickly, while resistant hair requires stronger formulas. For porous hair, choose a product labeled as mild. For resistant hair, select a stronger product, sometimes labeled as super strength. Knowing the porosity helps you avoid overprocessing and ensures the relaxer works effectively. The finger test for porosity is a simple yet effective way to assess hair. Run your thumb and finger along a strand of hair against the direction of growth. If the hair feels rough, the cuticle scales are raised and open, indicating higher porosity. Record these results in the client's record to guide your relaxer product selection and application technique. Elasticity is the hair's ability to stretch and return to its original shape without breaking. The elasticity test, also known as the pull test, helps determine how well hair can tolerate relaxer chemicals. Hair with good elasticity flexes back and forth when gently pulled and can usually handle stronger chemicals. Poor elasticity may result in extreme breakage, so damaged hair should be cut off before the relaxer service. If there's no breakage, use milder chemicals and offer a treatment course after the service. The diameter of a hair strand is categorized as fine, medium, or coarse. Conducting a strand test on different areas of the head helps you understand the hair's overall texture and guides your relaxer application. This ensures that each section receives the appropriate amount of product and processing time, leading to even and predictable results. Natural texture patterns, also called curl patterns, are identified by their visual characteristics. The 3 main curl patterns relevant to relaxer services are wavy, curly, and tightly curled. Recognizing these patterns helps you decide how much texture to reduce and which relaxer procedure to follow for each client. It's not advisable to relax tightly curled hair to 100%. Overprocessing can leave hair limp and susceptible to breakage. Reduction is not recommended above 85%. By respecting these limits, you protect the hair's structure and ensure it remains healthy after the relaxer service. Establishing the amount of texture you want to reduce is a crucial step. This decision determines which relaxer service procedure you'll follow. By setting clear goals for texture reduction, you can customize the service to meet the client's expectations and hair health requirements. Hair density refers to the number of hair follicles per square inch and can be classified as light, medium, or heavy. Understanding density helps you plan product application and processing time, ensuring every section of hair receives the attention it needs for optimal results. The 5 procedures for all relaxer services are section, apply, comb or smooth, test, and neutralize. Each step is designed to ensure the relaxer is applied safely and effectively, leading to predictable and beautiful results. Let's break down each procedure to understand its purpose and execution. The first step is to section the hair for organization and control. Sectioning involves dividing the hair into specific areas or zones, such as the top, fringe, sides, or nape. This helps isolate the areas where texture will be loosened or straightened, making the application process more manageable and precise. Before applying the relaxer product, it's important to protect the skin around the hairline and ears with a base cream. The main ingredient in base creams is petroleum, which acts as a barrier to prevent irritation from the relaxer chemicals. This step is essential for client comfort and safety. The primary application method for relaxer is with a brush. Depending on the service being performed, apply the product to one or both sides of the hair. To prevent uneven patterns or ridges, make sure the relaxer is applied evenly throughout the section. This ensures consistent results and minimizes the risk of overprocessing. For shorter lengths of hair, apply the relaxer product with a brush directly to the surface. Use a plastic tail comb to help control and section the hair, ensuring the product is distributed evenly. This technique is especially useful for managing smaller sections and achieving precise results. Apply the relaxer to the most resistant area first. Start a quarter to a half away from the scalp area up to the porous ends, then apply to the area near the scalp. This approach ensures that the relaxer works effectively on the toughest sections of hair, leading to uniform results. For retouch services, apply protective cream to previously treated hair and relaxer to the new growth area near the scalp. Avoid overlapping onto previously relaxed hair as this can cause breakage. Careful application ensures the hair remains healthy and strong after the service. Apply relaxer to the selected area or zone. Use protective cream on the perimeter of the hair that will remain curly or natural. This technique allows for partial relaxation and preserves the desired texture in specific areas, offering clients a customized look. Combing or smoothing redistributes the relaxer to help break the bonds and elongate or stretch the curl pattern. Curl diffusion uses the wide teeth of a comb to reduce curl pattern by 50%. For relaxer applications, smoothing is performed from base to ends in a downward direction. During retouch, avoid overlapping or smoothing previously relaxed hair to prevent damage. There are two primary ways to know when to stop smoothing and rinse the relaxer from hair: timing according to manufacturer's instructions and performing relaxation tests. Timing varies based on hair type and product strength, so always follow guidelines and check the hair's response to ensure optimal relaxation. Relaxer timing depends on hair type and product strength. Mild relaxers are used for up to 15 minutes on color-treated or fine texture hair. Regular relaxers are applied for up to 20 minutes on curly to medium texture hair. Super relaxers are used for up to 25 minutes, thio, or 20 minutes sodium hydroxide on tightly curled or coarse texture hair. These timings are only a guide. Texture and porosity control how quickly the relaxer penetrates. The relaxation test, also known as the comb test, helps determine when hair is relaxed enough or if additional smoothing is required. For virgin and retouch applications, use the back or tail of the comb to clear excess product and press against the scalp. The amount of indentation indicates the degree of relaxation. For curl diffusion, comb relaxer through strands and watch for desired elongation of the natural pattern. Rinse hair for a long period to stop chemical action and remove residue. Pay special attention to areas like the nape and behind the ears. Chemicals left in hair can cause damage to skin and hair. Blotting after rinsing removes excess water, prevents dilution of the neutralizer, and allows you to check the scalp for leftover chemicals. Neutralizer causes oxidation, restoring broken disulfide bonds. Use an acid-balanced neutralizing shampoo or stabilizer to reharden hair into its new, straighter shape. Follow manufacturer's instructions carefully. Sodium hydroxide relaxers are neutralized with shampoo, while ammonium thioglycolate relaxers use a neutralizing solution. To create new, relaxed texture patterns for your clients, follow these guiding steps. Identify the existing texture pattern, determine the desired pattern, analyze hair competency, select the appropriate relaxer service, choose the right product and formula, and perform the relaxer service. This structured approach ensures you meet client goals while maintaining hair health. Check what you know questions help affirm your understanding of key points covered in this lesson. Reviewing these questions ensures you're ready to apply the procedures confidently and deliver consistent results for your clients. Continuing with knowledge checks, these questions reinforce your grasp of the relaxer procedures and pre-relaxer analysis. Take time to reflect on your answers and revisit any areas that need clarification. This process strengthens your foundation for successful relaxer services. As you continue to check your knowledge, validate your learning by ensuring you understand each step and concept. This validation process is essential for building confidence and preparing for real-world application of relaxer services. Celebrate what you've learned in this lesson. Recognizing your progress is important for motivation and continued growth. Take pride in mastering the preliminary tests and 5 relaxer procedures, knowing you're ready to deliver excellent results. Continue to validate your learning by reviewing the steps and concepts covered. This ongoing process ensures you retain the knowledge and skills needed for successful relaxer services. Keep practicing and refining your approach for consistent results. Celebrate your achievements as you complete this lesson. Recognizing your dedication to learning and improvement is key to ongoing success. You're now prepared to analyze hair, perform relaxer procedures, and deliver results that clients will love. In summary, mastering relaxer services starts with thorough pre-relaxer analysis and follows 5 key procedures: section, apply, comb or smooth, test, and neutralize. By practicing these steps and understanding hair properties, you'll achieve consistent, predictable results. Continue to refine your skills and stay updated with best practices for ongoing success. Congratulations on completing the lesson. You now have a comprehensive understanding of pre-relaxer analysis and the 5 procedures for producing predictable relaxer results. Apply these skills in your practice to ensure client satisfaction and hair health. Keep learning and growing in your professional journey.